Hello, Indian women in Dubai. Girls, if you can see me, if you can hear me, can you say a big hello? I can see people joining us. Hi, Kajal. Hello, everybody. Girls, today we are back with our usual feature, Shop with IWD. And today we are actually going to shop in a lovely bookstore. And it's called My Booktopia. And I'm going to make you meet a lady who's called the Book Lady of Dubai. So, we'll meet Malar and we'll talk a lot about kids, books, and how we can inculcate reading habits in books and which books should our kids read and, everything and anything related to books. Because at mere back pe hai ye famous bookstore. So, if you're watching me, can you say hello so that we can start? Oh, hi, I can see Rutuja. Hello, Veena ji. Let's find. So, we are at this store called Booktopia. And it's in Festival City Mall, and it's the home of all types of books you can find. And I have this lovely girl. Hi, Malar.
How are you?
Very good, Malar. You have a lot of people watching you.
Hi guys, welcome.
Thank you, Malar. So, Malar, today we're going to talk about our kids, books, and what books our kids should be reading, and everything and anything about books, right?
Yes.
But you're called the Book Lady of Dubai. How did that happen?
So when I came to Dubai in 2016, that was the year of reading.
Mm.
And I did not start a bookstore then.
Mm.
But I was, since I'm a coach, I'm an author, I write books. I wrote a book for the government of Dubai. And I started doing workshops and seminars. I went and spoke about reading.
Yes.
So the government was very so excited. They was constantly called to do more talks.
Yeah.
And then they kind of suddenly started calling me, oh, here comes the book lady. And then for everyone,
Yeah.
kind of, because there was suddenly one Indian lady who was like standing and talking about books everywhere.
Yes.
So then they...
And that's the lady we can watch. She looks beautiful in her sari. Yeah, lovely. Looking lovely. And how did Booktopia happen?
It's a beautiful story. So Booktopia did not happen as a store at first.
Nah.
I just went, I spoke to people and people started coming in groups to listen to me talk. And then I started a Facebook group.
Okay.
Just like how the Indian women...
Yes, just like IWD happened.
So we started Booktopia as a Facebook group.
Yes.
And we had like 20 people.
Okay.
And within 2 weeks it became 2,500 people.
Wow.
And then people started to grow and I started speaking about books. I started telling everyone why they should read books, recommending books, and then also selling books.
Very
So it was a
nice.
value addition. And then we saw the response and we went to a kiosk in Festival City Mall. And then the Festival City Mall said, it's a beautiful idea, let's do it. And then I got motivated and I said, let's start.
Awesome.
Now we have Booktopia Dubai Festival City. We have Booktopia Dubai Festival Plaza.
Yes.
And we also have one coming up in Bergerac, and we have 2 more stores coming up.
Wow, that's amazing. You have a lot of people saying hello to you, Malar. So we've got Sheila says hi, good evening. Neha is saying hi. Manali says hi. Very nice. All right. So we have 5 stores in total coming up for Booktopia. So
And we also have our website www.mybooktopia.com where we supply books across UAE
Yes.
and Bahrain and Saudi.
Areva, awesome. So you can, if you can't come to one of their shops, you can also shop online, which is what I was telling Malar. Like, Malar, I don't go to malls. So she's like, shop online. All right, let's look at your Christmas specials.
Of course, today the shop is, I'm so happy. This is like one of my favorite seasons of the year.
Yes.
So we've like decked up the shop. And
Look, I'll show all the Christmas decor. I think it's a beautiful place to come with your kids during the holidays. कल से छुट्टी होने वाली है बच्चों की. Everybody is going to think कहाँ लेके जाएं बच्चे. So this is one option now we are giving you.
we have a lot of Christmas books
Yes.
here for all age groups, even for adults, even moms.
Wow.
So we can also have moms also can.
Yes.
This is a very good gift. I'm telling you, books are a gift that you can read again and again.
Yeah.
Share again and again.
Awesome.
Christmas books is a Christmas gift is something that we prepare as every year. We say give the art to the maker.
Yes.
So I really request Indian women who are listening to this, please give books as gifts.
Yes. And I think Christmas books are a beautiful gift from Santa. If you have a Christmas tree like me and you have to keep, gifts under the Christmas tree, Amazing collection they have. And they have an IWD discount also, Mala, right? What is
We
that?
have an Indian Women in Dubai discount, which is the IWD 20.
Mm-hmm.
Which you have 20% discount on all books that are not on sale.
Yes.
And you have IWD 10, which is even if some book is discount.
Yay!
you get it.
Amazing. So we have extra discounts if you tell them you are from IWD.
Now till December, and there's a better discount.
Yes.
It's like a flat 30% discount on all our books till December.
Wow.
Because we always do this when children are at home.
Yes, perfect timing, isn't it? So 30% off if you can come here in December on all the books. And this is, let's have a look at the beautiful bookstore. And we have Kajal saying hello. Hey Kajal, hi. We have a lot of members joining us. Hey girls, if you're watching us, stay with us and we'll show you some excellent collection. So I'm going to ask you about what are the different categories of books the store has.
So we have books from babies up
Mm.
to adults.
Okay,
We have both fiction and we have non-fiction.
right.
Now we have storybooks. Under storybooks, we have a lot of other, there are different, we call it genre or genres in
Mhm.
book language,
Hmm.
which is nothing but categories.
Yes.
Like we have touch and feel books, we have sound of music books, we have picture story books, we have board books.
Yes.
We have activity books, we have tactile books, which I can show you.
Mm-hmm.
These are called tactile books. This is something
Yes.
that is new to people. You must have seen this, but you don't know the name of it.
Okay.
So this is like called any book where there is a movement, where
Ah.
there is a push pull, where you kind of open, like lift the flap.
Yes.
Or any kind of some small interaction. We call it interactive books.
Interactive books, yes.
They are called tactile books.
Ah, I didn't know this name. Definitely did not. But my daughter has, I was showing her, my daughter has this fire station wala and we read it every night. So these are very good for little kids. Till what age are these good? Roughly?
These are good up to 5 and a half.
5.5, yeah.
If you are going to read to the child, you can start anytime, 1 year,
Yes.
2 years. But if the child is going to read by themselves, then 5 years.
5 years to 6 years. At what age should we start reading to the kids?
You have to start. Okay, so I started reading to my children when I was 5 months pregnant.
Wow! In the tummy?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
I also have a video about it. I can share it with all of you.
Yes.
See, children listen to your voice.
Yes.
So, and there's only so much you can talk, right?
Mm.
The child is there. But when you start singing, you start doing rhymes, and you
Yes.
start reading favorite storybook, but even when you read a storybook,
Mhm.
automatically your voice modulation changes.
Mm-hmm.
Right? When there's something scary, you sit like this, and you're happy, you laugh.
Mm.
So the voice modulation, the child is always listening to it.
Right.
So there's a lot of correlation for the child. It helps the parents connect to the children.
Amazing.
So you can start even when you're pregnant, but even afterwards, babies. For babies, we recommend black and white and red book. That's
Okay.
how you start.
Yes.
And then you can have buggy books. I can see when parents take children in a stroller.
Yes.
Children are biting and all of biting some toys.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just give them a stroller, a buggy book, so that they can get a medal, they can open, they can do the pages. And
Yes.
all that. So you can. There's just no time limit, and do not stop reading after the child is 6 or 7, just because you think the child can read by themselves.
You should continue reading.
Read it.
Till what age?
Any age.
Any age.
Like, my dad still reads some poetry to me. He's
Wow.
like, you know what? I read this, and I'm like, please read it to me, because
Yes.
for me, I'm still that young girl listening to my dad.
Yes. Yeah.
So we say we have to interact with the children. We have to interact with
Ah.
them on a very broad view. But how? This is one way that I can.
Yes. And I think bedtime stories are great, right?
Absolutely.
Great. Okay, which other section can we go to another section? So this is
There's so much I want to show.
yes.
Let me take you to this section, which is like the bestseller for the winter vacation.
Oh wow. Okay, yes. This is so if you I'm sure your kids are going on chutti for the next from tomorrow. And she has an amazing collection of books to keep them busy for the winter vacations, right? Okay.
All the activity books that are there.
Yes.
And this one is Booktopia Pride, which I call it.
Okay.
All the picture story books. So this one, I spend a lot of time curating these books.
Right.
And there are lots of books. Like I was just telling Rima that this one is a 20 years old book.
Yeah. I know we are going on a bear hunt book. So but does anybody know we go on a lion hunt book? Yeah.
Like don't let the pigeon drive the bus. the
Yes.
classics that these for children who are 3 years to 6 years, there's
Yes.
so much you can introduce through picture storybooks.
Mhm.
Like for example, this Mr. Big. Ed Bear is like a huge famous author, but Mr.
Okay.
Big is about he is very self-conscious that he's very big and he won't have friends.
Right.
But apparently, at the end of the book, he makes a lot of friends. So this book is about friendship and then everybody.
That's a lovely concept.
Yeah. So there's in picture storybooks because we always go for fairy tales.
Yeah. Yeah.
Goldilocks, Jack and the Beanstalk, Three Little Pigs.
Hmm.
No. There's so much more
That you can do and see. Where Kavita is saying a great tip. I think it was about reading. And Sonakshi is watching us. Sonakshi, hi. And she says, wow. All right. Okay. So this is the section.
We have an entire section for adults.
Right. So for all the mummies watching us,
Full section.
yes, this full section is for you. So all the bookworms, you can come and find pretty much, I think, any book that you can think of.
Classics.
All the classics. Who remembers? Where's that book? Yeah. Who remembers this author and The Alchemist and his other books? Can I show? Yeah. Yay. Hi, Suman. Thank you for watching. Hey, Sonakshi. Yeah, I am a sweetheart, of course. She's like, so yay. Do you remember?
Self-help.
So lots of books on self-help and unlimited. I have this one at home. My husband reads it. Unlimited Power. Amazing. And Facebook, The Inside Story. Wow. So these are lots of books for adults. And then do you
Entire sections for adults.
have any Christmas specials like for gifting?
Yes, we have for Christmas. What we've done is we've introducing box sets because you have lots of gifts.
Yeah.
So we've kind of made a lot of bundle offers and we're introducing box sets. So if you see at all corners, there are huge box sets.
So this is this an example?
Yes, Julia
Yes.
Donaldson.
So this is a Julia Donaldson box set. There you go, the famous Gruffalo. And
There are 10
oh wow, it's got these 10 books.
And it's
Perfect for your
200.
little kids. How much is this full box for?
100
200 dirhams. Facebook Inside Story. Somebody's asking. Facebook Inside Story. How much is this book for, Malar?
Let's see. This one is 79, but there's a flat 30% discount.
79, but you get a 30% off, Sonakshi. So you have to tell them you saw the live. Okay? All right. And you can order these online also if you can't come.
You can log into My Booktopia. On
Yes.
Instagram, we are My Booktopia UAE, and we're on Facebook also as My Booktopia.
Yes.
Please follow us in Instagram.
Please do. Where is the store? We've got the question.
The store is at Dubai Festival City Mall on the first floor, right next to H&M and Zara.
Yes.
And in Dubai Festival Plaza Mall, we are right opposite Lulu Hypermarket.
Right. So two locations where you can. Yes, I will send you the link, Sonakshi. So people are asking for the link for online purchase.
These kind of box sets you can buy. This is my
There you go.
Christmas tip for all
Yes,
of you.
the crisp
Buy
best.
box sets,
Yes.
open it up,
Huh.
pack individual books and give it. So that means you
Ha, exactly.
or also buy the box sets for your children because the discounts in box sets are huge.
Okay.
Especially for children who are above 9 years to 13 years, they'll always prefer to read the entire series.
Yeah.
So you will think they won't, but you will end up
Buying the
next.
next.
So take boxes, set this as a goal for the children,
Mm.
and tell them you finish this box set, then you finish this entire series, then
Then you
whatever reward
get
you
a
want.
nice treat, huh?
And it also establishes the great habit of doing a series of books which will also help in the academics.
Right. But yeah, I have a question here. Interesting. बहुत सारी textbook होती हैं, right? Why textbook versus story books?
I'll
Yes.
give you a very interesting analogy. Okay?
Yes.
This I always do this in all my talks.
Yeah.
See, we all have one life.
Huh.
We all have one family, one experience, one job, and all
Yes.
that. But when you read books, you read the story of someone's life,
Yes.
right? From the beginning to the end.
Yes.
Right? What they face,
Yeah.
their adventures, their challenges,
Mm.
and how they face it.
Mm.
Like when I read a book, Rima, I have a different perspective. When you
Mm.
read a book, you
Yeah.
have a different perspective.
Yeah.
In the same way, every child will have a different perspective from that.
Mm.
So, and what a brilliant opportunity this is for children, because even if you tell them all the best things in the world, mommy, it's just going to be advice,
Yes.
and they won't like it.
Right.
So, but when they are going to read it,
I think it's their imagination which comes into play, isn't
and
it?
you never know when they are in a situation like that, in a critical situation,
Yes.
This might come in handy. They will think, oh, in that story, this person did that, so I
Yeah.
can do this.
Wow. Awesome. We
They
have.
can travel to different places. They can read a book about Rome.
Yes.
They can read a book about Europe. They can read a book about the US.
Yes.
They can go back to India and read books about all our heritage.
Yeah, and I think they can be in Dubai and read about the world.
Yes.
Absolutely. Okay. How do we? Okay. We just taking the questions here. There's a question. Dwikle says thank you. We'll visit soon. And there's a question. Where's the store?
We are at Dubai Festival City Mall, first floor right next to H&M and Zara.
Yes.
At Dubai Festival Plaza, Jebel Ali, which is the new IKEA.
Yes.
For people who live in Gardens, Marina, Palm Jumeirah, JLT, you can go there.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful store. You should take children to the bookstores because it gives them a nice feel of hanging out.
Yes.
Sure.
And you did tell me there was one motivation to come to the store.
Let me
When?
take you.
Yes. Let's go there.
This is something which is very unique about Booktopia.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm the book lady.
Yes.
Welcome to my reading corner.
Look at that corner. That's her beautiful reading corner. It's very famous for those who follow Booktopia, and I do. This is where our book lady sits every day and she reads a book to the kids, right?
Go online to read, and we have author talks here. We launch books here.
Ah.
We do a lot of reading sessions here. And even for Christmas, we have Santa coming to read books to all of you.
Wow.
During the summer holidays, every day we had a storytelling session and an activity free.
Wow. Amazing.
All the sessions that happen in Booktopia are free
Wow.
because I feel that's something that I want to add value to my customers.
Yes.
You buy the books, but the activities are free.
Wow, that's amazing. I just want to show this lovely section to everybody. Just so you know, this section, you can bring your kids here. Yeah, that's a beautiful chair. We will have Santa coming here from the 16th. Santa's going to be here. And I think it's amazing. You can bring your kids here for free activities. They can spend as much time as they want and just be around. We have a suggestion for you. Do you have Indian mythological kids books?
We have not only Indian, but we also have other countries. Mythological stories is kind of tricky here. We have books that have a lot of Indian traditions.
Yes.
But I always try to be very neutral and not bring a lot of religious books.
Right. But I'm sure you can find a taste of them here. So Suman says beautiful. It is indeed beautiful, and this is the store just to show you all. Amazing collection. Before we move on to the next section, Mother, how do we help kids curate the right books? How do we know if they're choosing the right books for themselves?
So one is you have to give them choice.
Hmm.
Right. So just like this is again something that I always tell parents that just like how you have a living room, just like
Yeah.
how you have a bedroom, create a small reading nook or a library for it. It could be a single bedroom, it could be a double bedroom, it could be a villa.
Okay.
Wherever you are, you still have a kitchen, right?
Yes.
You still have a study table for a child. It could even be 2 shelves, but that
Okay.
could be the reading corner.
Okay.
So accessibility to books should be there
Yes.
to children, that it should be a part of their lives. And just like how you take them to the beach, just like how you take them to the park, bring them to libraries, bring them to bookstores.
Right.
I work a lot with Dubai Public Library. There are 7 public libraries. I go there and I talk to
Wow. When do you go there?
follow me. As and when I do, I'll put up the date.
Awesome. Yes, please do.
The one in Manipur is beautiful.
Actually, I remember this question getting asked on the group. Are there public libraries in Dubai? Can we rent out books to read?
Yes, it's only 75 dirham for children and lifelong membership. And
Wow.
it's refundable.
Oh
My
wow.
government wants you to read.
Wow. I did not know that, honestly. I've been in Dubai.
Maybe for my next session, all of you can come and I'll invite
Yeah,
you.
let's just announce it. At least you can send it on the group when you're going.
The golden visa for this.
Yes, she's a beautiful lady with the golden visa. Very many congratulations. I saw your photo. It looked wonderful. Very and I think completely deserved. So very well done for you.
So
That.
yeah, that's how much the government wants you to read. So for children, this accessibility should be there. So automatically that interest will come.
Yeah.
Take them to bookstores, just like how you take them to Lulu and Carrefour.
Yes.
Just, I have to pick up something.
Huh.
And above all of it, there's just one trick that will do, which is you reading.
You reading, yeah. If they see you reading, then they'll just do it themselves. Awesome. Let's go to the next section, Malar. Just show us your. See, the store is quite busy, girls. पीछे पीछे लाइव कर रहे हैं, but yeah, it is a busy one, and she tells me that it gets more busier in 30 minutes or so, right? Yeah.
So we have this entire section is for teens.
Okay.
Teen fiction, young adults. So we are cramping a lot of books.
Yeah, I can see, but I think you've pretty much covered everything that the teens would want to read.
Percy Jackson, we have
Yeah, I have these characters. This is not teens, but this is what my son reads. He's 6, so
and also there's something that Indian should do. Like,
Yes.
you know how much I want all of you to take gift books, right?
Yes.
So when you come to us and tell that you're buying return gifts for your children's birthday party,
yeah.
you get an excellent deal, a bundle
Acha.
offer. But the birthday child also gets a bookish birthday box from Coke.
Wow.
Free book, a book poster, book merchandise, and some discount offers.
Wow, that's awesome.
And a birthday card.
So if your kid's birthday is coming and you're looking for return gifts and other gift options, you can bring your child along and he gets a special gift. So I think that feeling is amazing. Wow.
So because that year the child becomes a book champion, he is promoting 20 people to read.
Yeah, absolutely.
Just buy some plastic toys. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Buy some 10 student
Yeah, use your return gift budget on books. Why not?
Yeah, so it's a very nice thing to do to your friends, right?
Very
That's
good.
something that moms should do.
Absolutely.
They have all the best ones like Shadow. This one is a rocking one now, latest Shadow and Bone series.
Acha, really? Okay, I don't have teenagers, so I don't know, but yes.
All the Harry Potters.
All the Harry Potters are there for all the Harry Potter fans. Ye dekho, you can find all the series here. Lovely.
Game of Thrones is here.
Yes.
Twilight series is here. And
Awesome.
this is like young adult.
Yes.
This is teen fiction where we have Roald Dahl. So
Yeah.
other than just the best sellers, I always like to. I don't know if you observed, Rima. There's no stationery in my shop.
There is none. There's no toys also actually.
No toys.
So good. In a way, my son will not get distracted to buy anything else but books.
There's no Lego. There's
Yes.
no toys. There's no notebook. It's a bookstore. It's a core bookstore.
Core bookstore.
Where you come. So notice it's like John Marsden and Rowena House are these amazing award-winning authors that children should try.
Okay.
So these are some of the gems that you don't get often.
No, that looks amazing. Ashifa says amazing. Ashifa, this is not too far from your place actually, I think. What else color? Show us more.
This one I want to show you is can we go there? Like
Yeah? Where should I go? Look.
This is our Christmas pole which
Oh, look.
where to
I have to
find.
show you. This is the Christmas pole. There is a Christmas pole. Yes, they have books for everybody. Book set. I think book set is one of my favorite things though. और ये science के भी हैं. Wow.
This is nice, isn't it? This science is huge bit. This is also very good for return gifts and Christmas gifts.
हाँ.
Because see, it's got 10 different topics
Yes.
and it's got weather, planet Earth, and it's 200 for 10 books.
Wow. Amazing.
Hardbound books.
Hardbound 200 US pound books. Amazing. We have a question. Please share the location.
Dubai Festival City Mall and the first floor right next to H&M and Zara. At Dubai Festival Plaza Mall, we are on the ground floor right opposite Lady Hypermarket.
Amazing.
Online at my book.
Yes, and I will also share all the links at the top of this live once I finish the live, so that you can reach out. And can they reach out to you personally, Malar?
Of course, you can follow us on Instagram at mybooktopiya in UAE.
Yes.
And I am online most of the time. My phone number is plastered everywhere.
It's as public as my phone number.
And that's how I started Booktopia because
Yes.
people message me at 1 p.m. in the night, 6
Yes.
a.m. in the morning.
Yeah.
I'm always here to help you. Any doubt, if you feel you have a internet confusion,
Yes.
if you're confused what to give to your children, and if you feel there's something that has to be done, and you want to do something, then
Yeah, absolutely. You can have a chat with her regarding, depending on your.
I want to show you guys a series of books.
Yes, please do. Let's follow her. We're going to follow. We are, just for those who've just joined us, and I know Shikha, you have, we are live from Booktopia in Festival City Mall, and we are just trying to understand the world of books with our beautiful book lady Malar here.
This section for Arabic books.
Wow. So there is the Arabic books. Amazing.
Because we have a lot of different nationalities coming up.
Yeah.
This one is the latest books I launched. It's called Little People Big Leaders series.
Okay.
So some of you must have already seen it in libraries because I'm promoting it very well. Because
Acha.
I feel your children should. I feel if you want to gift something for your children,
Yes.
this is it. It's got these huge, successful, inspiring people.
I see Mahatma Gandhi. Wow. Okay.
Pictures and lines.
But in a simplified way, right? Yeah. For kids to read autobiographies or biographies, basically. Biographies, yeah. Oh, wow.
It's called Little People. We have Kamala Harris.
Yeah, there you go. We have Kamala Harris, we have Mahatma Gandhi.
We have Coco Chanel.
Yeah, for all the fashion fans. Yeah, there you go.
So we also have this series. It's called Women in Art.
Ah,
There's a lot of women.
I can see Audrey Hepburn.
Yes. We have writers. We have women in science.
Women
like
in
Mary
science. Wow, okay.
Curie, women in music. And
I like there are lots of women oriented books.
Yes, this one is amazing.
Ah.
So we have Greta Thunberg. We have Jane Goodall. So
Amazing
this one-
collection. Yeah.
This one I feel is something that I recommend.
Okay.
If you feel your child is too old,
Okay.
I still have a smaller section.
Acha, really? Okay.
Check this out. You can still tell your child who Greta Thunberg is.
Wow. So depending on your age of your kid, right, you'll find a book appropriate for your kid, basically. So if it's too,
Board books, if you feel children tear your books.
huh?
If you feel children too young, you can choose these kind of board books.
Okay.
Where the pages are hard.
Right. Yeah.
And it's very sturdy. So
Yeah, they've been used for years at my home. I have some of these, especially the smartest giant in town. It's very good. और कौन सा है मेरे घर में? This I have the Snail and the Whale. Actually, I have a lot of books I read to my kids at book night time. So
this one, now you remember the tactile book that
ha.
these have got googly eyes.
Oh wow.
So now I think today all of you learn tactile books.
Yes, tactile books. That's a new word I definitely learned. I did not know it.
These are
Okay, Guinness books. Yes.
New Year gift.
Arey wah, this is perfect gift for the New Year's, yaar. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And you know, yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, look at all the different.
I think my son.
22.
Yeah. My son would love to read about everything going around in the world, right? So.
Even if it is smaller children,
Hmm.
you can read it from here.
Yeah. And they're always amazed with, these things. Awesome.
This is for all ages.
Hmm.
You have to tell me if your audience wants something specific. I can show you. We have the, okay, girls. For all the girls,
Hmm.
we have the entire
Yes.
Bridgerton series.
So for all, this is for my book club. We have a book club at IWD. So I think this is probably best for them. Yes.
Bridgerton series.
Yes.
We have the entire Bridgerton series. 8 books.
All the books we've got, you can just shop out here. I have to find out which is the book of the month. Maybe then we can find it here. But yeah, for all the ladies also, you have all the options to shop here. Awesome. And you get 30% off anything at the store. Where is this? There you go. Let's show you the fiction section. This is all the fiction section at the store. Wow. So I think you name a book and you'll probably find it here. And you can shop. You can come at the shop or you can shop online. Awesome. And my favorite is actually all these kids books. Ye dekho. All the new sections you can see. Awesome. Good. Yes.
So I'm watching.
Ah.
So it's a storybook,
Yes.
but it also has a costume.
Cinderella.
Yeah. From World Book Day,
Yes.
you have some Little Red Riding Hood.
Wow. With the costume.
Costume.
Oh wow. That is so innovative. That is so
You
cool.
don't have to worry about costumes.
Absolutely. They can dress up and read the book. Where's the book in it?
There's a book also.
Oh, there's a book inside with the costume. Wow. Awesome. Beautiful.
We have a lot of science books like this, like about nature.
Hmm.
We
Hmm.
have, we look inside airport,
Yes.
families, diversity. These are the stroller books I told you.
Ha. So give these to your little ones when they are like in the strollers, right? Where
Stroller,
like.
so they don't have to buy it,
Hmm.
So you just hang it in your stroller buggy.
Huh.
And then the child is going to see all these colorful pictures. It is going to get registered in the child's mind.
Right.
So there are a lot of other books also.
Yeah, so this is just one of them, but there are lots of other books like small stroller books to read to little babies.
These ones look inside, look the flap. I know children sometimes stare it, but if you can
हाँ.
tell them not to. These are
But हाँ, over time they learn. Yeah, वो थोड़ा सा शुरू में होता है, but my like now they don't.
These are amazing card books.
हाँ.
You can do on a journey, you know.
Yes.
Like this, you can open up, you can tell them, so you learn new topics every single day.
Awesome.
There's a lot of look inside series.
Okay.
So this one say, let's say 7 to 9, 6 to 9.
6 to 9, 6 years to
That
9
way,
years.
Just can't stop asking you questions.
Yeah. Absolutely.
The old younger ones, if you want to do, we can do like this.
100 things that go. First 100 things, first 100 words. Yeah.
3 years, 3 years.
Yeah.
we have-
Is she from TL school? No. What's that?
TI.
TI. Are you from TI school? So we have a friend, Geeta. Yes, she is from TI school. How do you? What is that? What is
It's
that's
the
your,
school I went to.
Oh wow! So we've just found you your schoolmate. Yes, Geeta, you can connect with her offline, and you guys can connect. Are you from the same class, Geeta? How do you remember her? It'll be interesting to see. Yeah. See, there we go. We found you a schoolmate in Dubai.
Yay.
Yay!
So yeah, we have a lot of these books. We have Barack Obama, Becoming
Ah,
Michelle Obama's
yellow.
latest book.
Yes. Do you have Indra Nui? The one she was promoting. Yeah?
We finished the signed copies. We're expecting more.
Areva. Awesome. Yeah, so there is Barack Obama, there's Michelle, everybody.
We have a lovely community.
Okay.
Ethiopia is a lovely community.
Tell us more about your community.
So we all meet here. I mean, people always come for my reading sessions, and you know, I'm always available on phone. I'm like,
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
But also, you can join my Facebook group or follow me on Instagram, Booktopian Dubai.
Yes.
And every time I need some help with the story,
Okay.
I own you guys come forward.
Yeah.
I remember when we started the store, we were supposed to launch open at 5 p.m.
Acha.
Nothing was done. You know, there's a lot of issues. You know, starting theater issues.
Ha.
From 9 a.m.,
Ha.
we had just people coming and coming.
Acha.
They were like, you know, we follow you on social media. We've come to help. We follow you on social
Wow. There you go.
media. And we had almost 32 people the whole day come with their families to arrange books.
That's such a beautiful thing, yeah. That is
When
such
we
a.
launched at 6, when we opened at 6 p.m.
Ha.
Which is just, they were like, they were like just hundreds of people.
Yes.
Oh
Oh my god.
lovely community.
That's so beautiful. And I think if you are a book lover, you need to go join Booktopia and be a part of this amazing community. I mean, it's you can just connect over books over anything, right? So
I'm an Indian.
absolutely, we love you too. Awesome. Great.
Please come. Do not forget to use your discount because Rima has collaborated with so many of us
Yes.
who are business owners here in Dubai to get you the best deal and I just admire what you do.
Thank you.
Of you and Arpita, you guys are just amazing.
Thank you. I know you remember. I remember you told me you go to all the restaurants I recommend.
You
So,
guys feel
yes.
and see and say, you know what, Manu, you don't have this book at Booktopia and we want it,
yes.
it'll be here.
Awesome. There you go. We have a question, and you know what the question is. What is the location, please?
They
Yes.
are at Dubai Festival City Mall on the first floor right next to H&M and Zara.
Yes.
At Dubai Festival Plaza Mall, which is the Jebel Ali, the new IKEA.
Yes.
We are on the ground floor right opposite the new hypermarket. And
Awesome.
online, we are mybooktopia.com and on Instagram, we are mybooktopia UAE.
Yes.
And I'm everywhere, so just Google the book lady.
The book lady Malar. There is it. All right. Thank you so much, Malar. I'll just do a thank you to everybody. Thank you, girls, for joining. Hope you enjoyed this session from My Booktopia. I'm in the Festival City Mall, but you can go to the Festival Plaza Mall also if you live closer to JBR JLT. And we have an IWD special discount. Our code is 20% off, but for the month of December, they're giving 30% off on all the books. There will be live activities, reading activities happening at the store all through these winter vacations. Santa is going to be here from the 16th, reading to kids and having fun. So if you are looking for places to go these December vacations, and if you're not traveling outside of Dubai and बच्चों को बाहर लेके जाना है, come visit the Bookstopia store. Come shop books with the kids, and I think that is one of the best Christmas gifts you can give to your kids. With that, I really hope you enjoyed this chat more about books, how to inculcate book reading in our kids, and all about the different varieties of books we have at Booktopia. And we really hope you enjoyed it, and have a very good evening, IWD.